Hello, my dear friends. I am once again back with a new video for all of you to share on my YouTube channel, which is Shomdatta Shate Moner Alo. Shobaike many thanks once again for liking my videos, sharing those, as well as subscribing to my channel. আজকে আমি যে টপিকটা নিয়ে আপনাদের সাথে ডিসকাস করব বা শেয়ার করব, I have given the name of the topic or the video as COVIDian proxemics. Now, COVIDian proxemics is a very important topic because we all are facing the pandemic due to COVID-19 or corona for the last 6 months or more than that. Now, I think all of us have adjusted well with the situation now. We have adjusted well because we all are human beings. We had to adjust because there was no other option. But slowly and slowly, maybe we will go back to our normal life once again like before. But COVIDian proxemics, what is it about? What is the topic about? You should know about it. COVIDian proxemics is actually what we want to discuss or explain for this topic is that before the pandemic, or maybe before March 2020, the way we used to mix with people, sit with them, hug each other, talk to each other, shake hands with each other, maybe the children, they used to share their food, drink from the same bottle, maybe friends sharing cigarettes together, and maybe friends drinking like from the same glass, maybe juice or coffee or anything, water or whatever it is. So we are not going to do the same thing now. Post-COVID, we are going to think about doing all this, like maintaining the distance with each other because of so many reasons. We know that many people are asymptomatic, and we will not be knowing when unknowingly the virus will enter inside us. And as we know, post-puja, the situation is not at all good. The rate is increasing tremendously. So we all have to be very careful. Now, my dear friends, COVIDian proxemics, as I said just now, is the topic that we are going to discuss, how to maintain a safe distance, physical distance, or rather if we call social distance. But we should keep in mind that physical or social distance can never bring a distance in our hearts, in our minds, because we have to keep connected to each other. We have to keep connected through different online, the digital world which is there, through video call, conferencing, Google Meet, Zoom. These are the different things which we have learned during the COVID situation, during the pandemic, which we never thought before of using or utilizing the technology in such an excellent way. So I think all of you will agree with me, and this is my suggestion to all of you, that we should not discriminate these people who are fighting COVID or those who have come back. Rather, we should be talking to them more, communicating or spreading love for them, as well as keeping a safe distance, maybe physically, but not mentally. So be with them, be with everyone beside each other, be with your friends and relatives, and help them to get a better future and a happy life. And I hope and wish that post-COVID, the next year, because we have only just 2 months left for this year to end, and we are waiting for maybe 31st of December, and we wish and pray to God that 1st January 2020, it will be the beginning of another new normal year where we all will be free from this particular pandemic and using mask and sanitizer. But by that time, before that time, please be very careful and maintain all the safety and necessary measures. So COVIDian proxemics should be kept in mind while talking and sitting beside each other, chatting to each other, going to a movie hall. Please maintain a safe physical distance, but don't let that distance, physical distance, come and separate you or segregate you mentally or socially. All of you stay happy and stay safe. Bye.